Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the door. Set a strong PIN or password and avoid simple patterns. Once done, enable automatic system and app updates so known vulnerabilities are patched without thinking. Next, turn on Find My Device and add recovery contacts. This gives you remote locate, lock, and wipe options if the phone is lost. Make sure to register a recovery email or phone number and check that biometric unlock is optional, not the only fallback. Once updates run, harden what apps can do. Open settings and audit permissions for camera, mic, location, and SMS. Revoke anything unnecessary. Then, uninstall apps you don't use and reinstall only from Google Play or another trusted store. Enable Play Protect scanning for malware and make sure unknown sources is off so sideloading is blocked. If an app needs a permission temporarily, grant it only while using that app and remove it afterward to reduce ongoing risk. Finish by securing connections and backups. Use a reputable VPN on public Wi-Fi and turn off automatic Wi-Fi connections to unknown networks. Enable encrypted backups to your account and verify they restore correctly, because a backup is only useful if it works. Finally, enable two-factor authentication on email, banking, and cloud accounts for an extra defense. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to uninstall a problematic app. Then reinstall updates and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.